What is our concept? Section leaders, what is our concept?
One band, one sound.
One band, one sound. When one of us is late, we are all late. When one of us looks or sounds bad. Section leaders, what is our concept? He says he guesses he overslept. I ask, why didn't you wake him? And he says he is not his mother. One band, one sound. One sound, one sound, one sound. Is this not why you are here?
One sound.
Section leaders. What is our concept?
I know what it's like to be all the way down there. You hear me? And I know what it's like to be all the way up there. The Lord allow you to go through. He expects for you to learn from it. These are all called trials and tribulations. And in the Bible, he tells you when you go through your tribulations to be cheerful. But I learned from them too. I learned about the unequally yoked. I learned about not turning to the family, to turn to a stranger. I learned what will happen if you slack up in everything that has something to do with the Lord, you hear me? If something ain't going right, it's because of the choices that you make. Every day that I choose to live without the Lord in my life now to the fullest, ain't nothing gonna go right for me. It's gonna take the Lord. I call it a monkey. I got that monkey back on my back again. He back on my back, and I know what I got to do, but the Lord said, well, how long you gonna continue to suffer, you hear me? And I said, he said, how long you gonna keep being foolish? And I said, well, you sure right, Lord. How long you gonna continue to suffer, you hear me? He said, how long you gonna keep being foolish? And the only way I'm gonna stay up is to continue to build my relationship with the Lord. My stepfather, I couldn't take a bath in that house if my mama left to go to the bank or something, because this man would bust in that bathroom. He took the doorknob off the bathroom and fixed my bedroom where it wouldn't lock no more. That's the only time I had to worry about him attacking me. But he was so disrespectful. And the things that my mom knew he was doing that she allowed, this is the second man she had allowed. It had been in the closet for so long. It had been in the closet for so long. What she allowed, that's so bad. When a mother knows what's happening to her child and she don't do nothing, that's so terrible. You hear me? That's a monster. Because all those drugs don't bring nothing positive in your life. He tells us in Genesis, he said, go and multiply and be fruitful. Fruitful is everything that's positive. You hear me? Yeah. And the only way a person can say they happy, you ain't gonna be happy. You can only get happiness with the Lord. God is a jealous God. You ain't finna be happy and don't serve him. He's not gonna let it go like that. I learned that. It's all about him. It's all about him. That's why he say, come to me for rest. Take my yoke. Them instructions, man, them instructions are real. Them instructions teaches us how to deal with everything we going through on a daily basis with these principalities, witchcraft, these evil spirits that you can't even see with the eye. They're around us, you hear me?
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here? Section leaders, what is our concept?
One band,
of us looks or sounds bad, section leaders, what is our concept? He says he guesses he overslept. I ask, why didn't you wake him? And he says he is not his mother.
Man, my grandmama gave me that chain.
I'm tripping hard.
Because I don't listen to the news. I don't inundate my mind with the news. However, that being said, there's so much negativity that surrounds us on TV, magazines, social media networks. I don't think you can even escape it. So I don't even think I have to listen to the news. But my point on the matter is that the more you inundate your mind with negativity, which 90% of the time bad news is, the more you're going to breed that sort of mindset. You understand what I mean?
When one of us looks or sounds bad, we all look and sound bad. I ask, why didn't you wake him?
No juice, baby. No juice, man.
Nah, if
what
it,
is this?
if it beeps, that means it's fake.
What's
This is
going
real.
on, man?
If it beep, it's fake.
Ain't none
what
of
you
this
mean?
hidden, bro. What you lying to these people for, bro?
Man, I got bread, man. I ain't tripping, man. I got bread, man. I got bread, bro.
Bread.
You know what I'm saying? I got bread, man. I ain't got to stunt, you know what I'm
Bro.
saying? Man, I got bread, man. I ain't tripping, man. I got bread, man. I got bread, bro.
Bread.
You know what I'm saying? I got bread, man. I ain't got to stunt, you know what I'm saying?
Bro.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely your goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen.
Who listens? From the highest mountain it has been shouted. In the lowest place its whisper has been heard. And through the corridors of all human experience this truth has been echoed. Love is the answer. Suffering has nothing to do with events, but with one's reaction to them. More than ever, it will bring you great peace of mind. And from a peaceful mind do great ideas flow.
In Christ alone, my hope is found. He gives my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm.
Before I say anything else, I want to say no matter what you've done, you deserve respect. Even if you make mistakes, you're lovable. And it doesn't matter your look, skills, or age, or size, or anything, you're worthwhile. No one could ever take that away from you.
ridiculous. King to rook 3, knight to king 6, pawn takes queen, bishop to knight 7. It's over. The Russians are drawing games on purpose to save their strength, and they're dumping games to pad their points, making it statistically impossible for me to win.
Mr. Fisher, your complaint has been lodged. There's nothing we can do.
Of course there's something you can do. They're playing a team game. It's 5 guys against 1.
Can we
against
go
me.
back inside?
No, I'm not interested.
Bobby,
What are you doing about this anyways? All right, come here. Gather around. I got something to say. I want to make this very clear. The Russians are cheating. Everybody knows what's going on. The corrupt Federation does nothing to stop it. Because this is unfair. It's unjust. It's immoral. I quit. I don't just quit this tournament. I am quitting chess. It's over. I don't just quit this tournament.
Is this not why you're here?
I'm not done yet!
They say it only rains for a season. Gotta keep moving, looking for a reason. They sending shots, I'm tired of living life on defense. Saw other world, you know I got that seasoning. The spirit give me wings, I'm feeling super fly. I let Jesus take the wheels, I'm like a Uber ride. Regain my drive and spit out fire in the booth tonight. Heaven and hell, that be your choice, you pick it, you decide. Eternity's a choice, mine is set in stone. I'm thankful for the rock sitting on the throne. I'm calling out to Jesus, I don't need a phone. I know he hear me cause he with me, I am not alone. He died for my sins, now I'm vindicated. Man, I feel so good when I get finished praying. Lord, I need to breathe, I need some ventilation. The devil planted Trump caught it in the nation. God, you so gracious, by your spirit I am innovative. You made me creative and they hate it, they gon' have to face it. Perfection I'm chasing and I'm racing, got no time for wasting. I can't be complacent, bring my rhymes to life like animation. They say it only rains for a season. Gotta keep moving, looking for a reason. They sending shots, I'm tired of living life on defense. Saw other world, you know I got that seasoning. The spirit give me wings, I'm feeling super fly. I let Jesus take the wheels, I'm like a Uber ride. Regain my drive and spit out fire in the booth tonight. Heaven and hell, that be your choice, you pick it, you decide.
Your conscience is ready, but knees weak, arms are heavy. They're sinning in your belly already, your tongue is deadly, a wolf. But on the surface you look calm and steady. You know you're wrong, because you keep on forgetting what he wrote down. No matter if the crowd is loud, no one can hide. God is gonna figure you out, you're joking now. Everybody's hopeless now, the clock's run out. Time's up, over, blow. It only rains for a season. Jesus' blood covers up my weakness. I'm tired of living life playing defense. How you out here doubting what I'm preaching? You only read your Bible on the weekends. The spirit is the only way I'm decent. The gates to the garden, I'ma reach it. The fire about to come, you gotta repent.
They say it only rains for a season. Gotta keep moving, looking for a reason. They sending shots, I'm tired of living life on defense. Saw other world, you know I got that seasoning. The spirit give me wings, I'm feeling super fly. I let Jesus take the wheels, I'm like a Uber ride. Regain my drive and spit out fire in the booth tonight. Heaven and hell, that be your choice, you pick it, you decide.
You only read your Bible on the weekends. The spirit is the only way I'm decent. The gates to the garden, I'ma reach it. The fire about to come, you gotta repent.
They say it only rains for a season. Gotta keep moving, looking for a reason. They sending shots, I'm tired of living life on defense. Saw other world, you know I got that seasoning. The spirit give me wings, I'm feeling super fly. I let Jesus take the wheels, I'm like a Uber ride. Regain my drive and spit out fire in the booth tonight. Heaven and hell, that be your choice, you pick it, you decide.